return home, I'm in a new zone. Make way for the new king, new throne. Serious with my tone, I'm unfound and unknown. My sound is unfolding. No silver, yes I'm golden. My pride is what I'm holding. No mic, but I keep it rolling. Yo, I sprint where you keep on strolling. I'm built for the sport, we enrollin'. Bring the heat like we Ryan Nolan. I'm the cancer to your colon, the common component. And owning this moment, the talent I got, I hope I have showed it. I hope I have showed it. Cause I'm armed with artillery, so quick with agility. Old school soul, come testing my ability. Classic, can you feeling me? My stories in my trilogy. Treasure in the 7 seas. Yeah, I'm a 90 born kid, but my style from the 70s. Liquor is my remedy. Ain't nobody telling me. Hold the heat like Tennessee. Zooming from the enemy. City boy swag, so I'm closer to amenity. All up in vicinity. Have my music playing in the Philippines. Cruising in the limousine. Always fresh dressed, diamond cover everything. Yeah, diamond cover everything. I'm not talking about the cheddar, man. I'm fueling with adrenaline. To the top, no settling. Yeah, me, I'm still doper than your heroin. Working on the late night, call me David Letterman. Me, I'm still doper than your heroin. Working on the late night, call me David Letterman. I'm not talking about the cheddar, man. I'm fueling with adrenaline. To the top, no settling. Yeah.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
The cheddar, man, I'm fueling with adrenaline. To the top, no settling. Yeah, me, I'm still doper than your heroin. Working on the late night, call me David Letterman. Me, I'm still doper than your heroin. Working on the late night, call me David Letterman. I'm not talking about the cheddar, man, I'm fueling with adrenaline. To the top, no settling. Yeah, go ahead and knock me down. Back up quick for another round. One of the best in pound for pound, like Doc Holliday upon a mouth. Go ahead, cause I run this town. Music is my outlet now. L to the O to the R to the E, double T. A is where we be, making cuts to the APC. Oh goddamn, music made so damn frequently in this building. Vans hanging on the ceilings, fans be wanting more of the jams. Yo, they feeling somehow my flow is so appealing. Yo, I got them kids shook and I don't know how they dealing. And now we on the subject and I'm feeling real. And let me tell you why we do it, cause the shit's amusing. Cause the shit's amusing.